Hi, second grade friends. We're going to get started with syllabication for this week. Make sure you have a paper and a pencil or a whiteboard and a marker. Here's the first word. Go ahead and write that on your piece of paper or on your whiteboard. We're going to go ahead and find the first two vowels. We see E and I. We're going to draw our bridge. We're going to label our consonants. We're going to draw our syllable division wall. We're going to look at our open syllable, or look at our syllable type. We see we have an E. Nothing is closing the door, so it is a open syllable. We're going to look at this one. We see our I, but we also see this magic E. So we need to know this is a magic E syllable. We're going to get ready to read our word. Decide, decide. Hey, here is our next word. Go ahead and write it on your whiteboard or piece of paper. Okay, we're going to go ahead and find our first two vowels. We see Y. We know that can be a vowel sometimes. And I. We're going to draw our bridge. Label our consonants. Draw our syllable division wall. Well, you might have noticed there's another vowel in this word, so we're going to go ahead and mark that vowel. We see ER. We're going to draw a new bridge. We're going to label our consonants. We're going to draw our syllable division wall. Now we're going to look at our different syllable types. So we see our Y. We see the L is closing the door, so we know that's a closed syllable. We see I. We see that N is closing the door on the I, so we know that's a closed syllable type. The last one, we see ER is our vowel. We know that's the bossy R syllable type. So now we're going to get ready to read our word. Cylinder. Cylinder. Great work today.